Hello friend. So now we will start with our first video for Unicon, and in this video we will not go so more deep, but we will talk about what components you need. This is an introduction video, or the first video for the series. We will be setting up a few components actually in further videos. One is Unicon Scout server, and then we will also set up the alias server, the application, and then we will have also Unicorn's gateway. So, and then we will have one machine which we will have one or two machines which will work as any client for us, Elux client. So we have done a small test actually with all the components, and we will talk about in our further videos. This is our Scout server actually, management Scout board server, where you can see I have one devices at the moment, and I have created some OUs. I have created this OU specific GPOs, settings we call it. And there are a lot of security methods actually, authentication methods you can use, and so here it is, and how you configure it, you can see it. We will go with all deep discussions in our further series videos. So to just start, what you need actually, you need few machines in your environment. To start with this, you would need one server where you will host Scout console and Scout board, or and you I would recommend that you set up a dedicated server for alias. But in lab we are having everything on one. You can see that I have built on one alias server where I have content libraries. I have already imported many things actually here, like all the packages from Citrix Ube side actually. I will just take you in there. So I have already imported all the package, how you import it, how the images, you can create your custom images actually, and you can drag and drop applications you want to put on the images like this. And then you just, it's locked, so I have to unlock it first. Don't save, test images, and unlock it, and then you can make changes to it, and then you can solve, you can save, and then you can lock it, and then you can export it and use it on your environment. The most very more configuration we will go in our further videos based on component to component. I have one client which is connected to my Scout management server. I have pushed some custom browser, and applications here. You can see it now. I have put in home page actually which should open when you open the Chrome. So all these configuration is in our Scout board. This is Scout board. This is how it looks like. This is dashboards. We don't have to make changes. We will set up a new more machines actually, how you onboard machines to the Scout. We will look into our further videos. And here it is. And the main reason, if you are a Citrix customer, you're already you're entitled to use Unicon product. You don't have to pay extra for the licensing. It's included in your licensing cost. And if you're using some other thin client solution for environment, then definitely you're not utilizing, you are somehow overutilizing your IT budget. You get Unicon free, and I don't want to take names, but yeah, this supports all the product in the market, or the like Windows 65, AVD, Omisa. I can show you. So you can have a lot of configurations here actually. It depends what you need actually. So why don't you should not use this Unicon actually. You can go into the applications and you can see what applications are here actually. In my settings I have using 4, but you can go to the application templates and you can see it has a lot of settings you can use with the VMware Horizon, AVD, and you can import a lot of other applications as I shown in alias. You can use them. So there are a lot of settings actually. There are a lot of benefits, and you will definitely save a lot of cost when it comes to licensing. And you have single vendor management that solves a lot of problem for administrators. So I would recommend you should start evaluating it and using the Unicon in your environment. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and watch, and look look for our new series actually, where we will talk about each component specific, how you build it up and everything. And there'll be more fun coming. Thank you.